Today we're going to be demonstrating how to implement two-factor authentication using SMS with FreeClimb. We're going to do this by building a Node application using Express. The application will trigger a two-factor authentication process, sending a verification code via SMS to our verified FreeClimb number that we will then use to authenticate. I'm currently on the two-factor authentication using SMS page available on the FreeClimb doc site. We're going to start by cloning the sample app on GitHub by clicking this link, going up to code, and copying it to our clipboard. Now that we've copied the URL to clone the repository, we can open up a terminal, type git clone, and paste that URL. Now that we've cloned the repo, let's navigate to its directory and do a yarn install to install all dependencies. Now we can see the entire code base for the Node 2FA sample app. Let's start first by taking a look at .env.example. We'll want to copy the contents of this file and create a new file called .env. We can now paste the contents of .env.example and save this in our .env. Once this is done, we're going to want to navigate to freeclimb.com and log in. If you do not have an account, now is a good time to pause the video and create one. Once we're logged in, we'll be able to see our account ID and our API key. We're going to want to copy our account ID, go back to our .env, and paste that in. Let's then go back to freeclimb.com and copy our API key as well. The next step we'll need to take is creating an application and assigning our FreeClimb number. On freeclimb.com, navigate to Applications on the left side nav. In the top right, let's click Register New App. Let's call this 2FA. Click Save and Continue. And now we can see that we've successfully created our app. Now we're going to want to assign our FreeClimb number to the app. To do this, let's navigate to My Numbers in the left side nav, and we can see the FreeClimb number that's been assigned to our account. Let's click the cog icon to go into the number configuration, and in the app section, let's assign 2FA. We can now click Update and see that our number has been successfully configured with the application 2FA assigned. Once we've done this, we can now copy our FreeClimb number and paste that into our .env as well. For port number, we're going to go ahead and use 3000. We can go ahead and save our .env, and now we're ready to start the server. We can start the Express server by typing in yarn start and hitting enter. Once we have done this, we can navigate back to the browser and go to localhost port 3000. Now that we can see we're on the FreeClimb 2FA sample app, and we can see that we have a prompt to enter our phone number. The phone number that it's asking for will be our verified FreeClimb number, which can be found in the settings page for your account. Let's copy this number and go back to the localhost port 3000 and enter that number. Let's click Send Code. Now you should have received a SMS with a verification code to your FreeClimb verified number. Once you receive this code, you can enter it in and click Check Code. We can now see that we have a success. Your phone number has been verified. To further confirm this, we can go back to freeclimb.com and view our message logs. Let's click Messages in the left side nav. And then from there, we'll be able to see our message ID, the timestamp, the from number, the to number, and a status of the message. That concludes our tutorial on two-factor authentication using SMS with FreeClimb. All relevant links will be in the description below, and feel free to reach out with any questions regarding this tutorial.